Ciao from Italia. Today we're in the Dolomites again. We're in Cortina. Behind me is kind of the destination. Today we're going to be hiking Lago di Sorapis, or Sorapis Lake. For a full trail guide of Lago di Sorapis, you can check the link in the description below. We are staying literally at the trailhead for this hike, so we didn't have to even drive, which is cool. This is an extremely popular hike. We got here a little bit late because we've been having really long days lately, so slept in a bit and had a leisurely start to the day. The lake is about the color of my t-shirt, so that's why it's so popular, and awesome mountain backdrops behind it, so really should be a fun day.
There you go.
So the hike starts off pretty mellow. We're just over 2 miles in, and you finally start to get some elevation gain as you work up to the lake. Towards the top here, you have some wire sections. No need for any kind of via ferrata here though. It's a very wide ledge. Basically at the lake now, as you might be able to tell by some of the b-roll, it's very, very crowded. We're basically D to A with people from here all the way to the lake. Jackie just gave me a look if you know what D to A means, but yeah, no, it's sections of a little via ferrata cable that you don't need any kind of gear for, just more or less to help people out. And yeah, I'd recommend this in off hours if you want any kind of seclusion. As you finally finish your ant line of people, you are arriving at the lake here, and boy is it pretty. Wore my matching shirt to the lake. So the trail continues all the way along the lake, and it actually moves up to a pass. So we're kind of just exploring a little bit here, and gonna get some aerial views of the lake in a second. If you do want to extend your hike, there's a ton of options in the area. I'm just gonna head up the pass here a little bit, maybe to the top, we'll see, but just to get a different perspective of the lake, get some more mileage in. So I ended up just climbing a little bit here just to get some different views of the lake at a different angle. Very, very dramatically pretty. So just about 900 feet of gain, so 300 meters or so up to the lake, and the hike is going to be just about 8 miles. I don't know what that is in kilometers. I can put that here, but overall, I'm torn. It's a very beautiful spot, don't get me wrong, but the amount of people here is like kind of not just like I don't like crowds, because for those of you who watch the channel, you know that, but it also just really slows you down. So this hike took us far longer than it should have, just because you're constantly stopping in this long ant line because it's very hard to pass, and you know, just kind of a futile effort. Overall though, if you're a very beautiful spot, I'd recommend it. Just hit it in off hours. Trail running this, you could, but again, if there's crowds, like probably not a good idea. But a nice mix of a different hike. We've been doing a lot of mountains and via ferratas here, so cool to do a lake, Lago di Sorapis. And that's gonna wrap up the hike video here. On behalf of Jackie and myself, thank you so much for watching. For a full free trail guide of this hike, Lago di Sorapis, you can check the link in the description below. We have a lot of other hikes from the Dolomites you can check out, and if you like other stuff from around the world, especially Colorado and United States, check those out on my channel as well. To help support the channel through gear, you can do that in the store on my website, thevirtualsherpa.com. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next adventure.